Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today, we are going to continue our unit number 2, which is about materials. As we discussed before, everything around us is made up of materials. Different materials have different properties. We can identify them according to
Hello,
their
teacher. My name is
property.
Abdurrahman Had.
Hello, Abdurrahman and Nasiri.
أستاذ باقي حصة سوشيال. أنت بعثت متأخر.
لا الساعة 4 خلاص تقريبا يعني.
أنت يعني طيب السوشيال باقي الحين.
لا خلاص الحين وقت دقيقتين باقي ممكن 2 minutes only.
يعني أرجع السوشيال ولا أبقى هنا؟
لا هنا.
طيب
ما في مشكلة. اوكي. Okay, so open your books, page 28, 29. We will revise and then page 20 to page 30 we will start. So as for revision, we have materials, unit number 2, where we are going to discuss materials and their properties and how we use them in different ways. Different materials are used in different tasks.
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. السلام
Hello,
عليكم.
Turkibanda. Abdullah Hadran Al-Mansur.
تمام استاذ انا صرت عبد الله.
وعليكم السلام.
السلام عليكم. معك حسام ابراهيم الزهراني.
Hello, Hussam.
عليكم. الغني.
Hello, Abdul Ghani. Open your books, page 28. It's just a revision for yesterday's lesson, and then we will start our new lesson. Okay, so we had word bank, materials, absorbent, subject, object, hard, magnetic, salt, soft, and group. So we identified some strong things, strong objects, then hard objects, soft objects.
Hello, my teacher.
Hello, Yamin. So anybody can tell me any strong thing around you? Strong. Yani mazboot. Anything around you which is strong, like wall, yani jidar.
I am Abdullah Hadrami.
Hello, Abdullah Hadrami. Like wall that is strong. Hard, you can say that your mobile, anything made of wood or anything made of plastic, that is hard. Then about soft, like your teddy bear, if you have, like your clothes, what you are wearing, these are soft objects. These are soft objects. Okay. So here you can see a jar which is made up of glass. Glass is transparent because you can see through it. Yani inta shuf min juwa. That is glass. And the other thing you can see here is hammer. So hammer is made of metal because we need something strong, something hard, so that it can't be broken easily. Okay, understand? Next page, which is page number 30. On page number 30, we will read materials around us. Learn that every material has property. Property, as I told you, yani sift. Property, yani sift, yani something good. Okay. So what you are wearing is your clothes, and that is soft, yani mafi gavi, mafi hard, that is soft. So this is its property. We are surrounded by lots of useful materials. Lots of useful materials. What are those materials? Like you can see around you, your mobile, laptop, table, chair, pen, pencil, books, your clothes, walls. Sorry?
Wood.
Yes, so made many things made up of different things. So that's why they are called different materials. Now this part. Okay. Ammar, Salman, open your mic and read. How many useful materials can you see around you? What can you see around you? Useful materials like chair,
Table.
table, okay, pen, khalas, it's enough.
Door.
Yes, nice. Chair, table, pen, door, window, etc. Write this in your book. Okay, bag, whatever. So chair, table, pen, door, etc. These are useful things, useful materials around us. Okay. All the objects we use are made of materials. As I told you before, whatever we use, that is made up of materials. Even our bodies are made of different materials. Like in our body, we can find iron, we find water. Okay, we can identify the different materials because they look and feel different. Okay, so tell me, if you touch, now in the mas, yani touch, this ball, which is made up of rubber, and this pot, which is made up of metal, bowl, they are same? Are they same?
No.
Do they feel same?
No.
Aywa. When you touch this,
No.
you know that this is something made up of rubber. And when you touch a bowl, metal bowl, you say that this is made up of something metal, something hard. Something hard. So that is why we say that we can, the materials can, they feel and they look and feel different. Okay. How a material looks and feels is called its property. هذا ضروري. This is important. What is property? How a material looks and feel is called its property. Yani sift. If you say this ball is, yani, if you touch this ball and you say this is naim, you say this is soft. Okay, and this is made up of rubber, that is the material. And this is hard, this is fragile, this is transparent, this is soft, this is strong. So that's why we say that different materials look and feel different. That is called property. Yani sift. فهمت ولا لا؟ Okay, this is an activity which will be done in the school inshallah soon when you will attend school inshallah bismillah. Next page, which is page number 31. Page number 31. Okay, on page number 31, you can see here okay, you can see here some materials which are on the left side. These are objects. A, metal bowl. B, ceramic vase. C, glass bottle. D, rubber ball. E, wool rug. And F, stone for building. Stone for building. And here are some properties or some features about the materials. This material is hard yani gavi and shiny. Shiny yani shuf inta shuf hena noor fi. So this is called shiny. This is called shiny. Shuf fi hena noor. So that is called shiny. Then it can be hammered into shape. You can use hammer and azrib yani bil quwwa غير شكل. صح ولا لا؟ عبد الغني؟ Faisal?
No.
Yes, yes.
Yes, thank you, Faisal.
إلا صح. صح.
Okay.
Yes.
Then we have,
Yeah.
okay, write your name properly, okay? في البرنامج اكتب اسمك كويس. Okay, then is written number 2. Number 2 is this material is see-through يعني انت تشوف من جوا.
Glass. Glass.
It breaks easily يعني هذا كسر برضو بسرعة. So this is a glass. Very nice. This is glass. So you will draw a line from 2 to C. That is glass bottle. Okay. Yes, Asil. Number 3. This material is soft, yani naim, and feels hairy, yani زي الشعر. شعر.
Wall rug. Wall rug.
Ya salam. Wool rug. So you will draw a line from here to here. 3 to E. Number 4. This material is shiny, yani iji noor, yani shoya, munakis, and hard, yani gavi. It is not see-through, yani inta maafi shuf min juwa. It breaks easily, and it breaks. It breaks. Ya salam. Ceramic vase. This is ceramic vase. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Number 4, ceramic vase. Okay. Number 5. This material is hard and rough. It is heavy and strong. Yani marra gavi wa fi wazn marra zyada. Yes. Which one?
Strong for building.
Strong for building.
For building.
Last one. This material is soft and bouncy. Bouncy means
Rubber ball.
yes, rubber ball. Nice. Bouncy means like if you throw it down يعني انت ارمي تحت هو يجي كده فوق بعد يروح كده كده that is called bouncy. لو انت ارمي بالقوة هو يجي قوة فوق. That is called bouncy. Understand? This is called bouncy.
Bouncy.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
I do this book.
Okay. Nice. This is finished, I think, Anna. You have done, right? ما في مشكلة.
Yes, I done.
That's nice. Okay.
I done.
I have done.
I have done.
Okay, good.
يا أستاذ بجاوب.
Wait, yeah, Habibi, please. أنا ما في سؤال. I didn't ask questions. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask now. في أي سؤال?
The homework.
I will tell you homework. Just a minute, please.
Page 32.
This is done. This is done. هذا خلاص.
Yes.
طيب. Now you can see here on this. Let me just remove everything. Yes, now. Okay. On this page, you can see some objects like glass. This is a material. Then plastic. This is a material. طيب. Then
Yes,
metal.
yes, stop.
Metal. This is
stop.
material. Wood. This is material. Yes. تفضل.
ارجع شوية على
Sorry.
الكتابة. ارجع شوية على الكتابة باقي
عبد
لي
الغني,
كلمة.
I have done now. خلاص. I will send you tasweer, okay? Picture. Okay. In this, you can open your mic and tell me the answers, okay? No problem. Yes. من معنا.
What do in this paper?
Wait, yes, Safwan, ركز بس شوية يا حبيبي. Okay. So in this page, this is your homework, okay? You will identify, يعني أنت شوف
Teacher.
من
Teacher. هذا الحصة معاك. ما عندي كتاب.
من أنت.
الدفتر. هيا ليش كم يسال؟
إياز. صح؟
اللي سأل عن الزجاج. ليش كم يسال؟ ارسل الشرح او الفيديو.
Okay, Ammar, I will send. Please wait.
أستاذ صفحة كم؟
يا بطال هذا الصفحة يا حبيبي. هذا مو صفحة يا حبيبي. هذا الحين أنا موجود ورك شيت ورقة عمل. هوم ورك. طيب أول في ورقة 30 وواحدة 30. That is finished. We have done in the book. Okay. We have done this page number 31 and 30. هذا خلاص في الحصة. Okay. Now we are on worksheet, which is our homework. Okay. Okay. Glass يعني قزاز. Okay. هذا قزاز.
لا.
Number 1. لا.
No.
هذا قزاز number 2. No. هذا قزاز number 3.
No.
هذا قزاز number 4.
Yes.
So you will draw a circle around this. Okay.
Okay.
Next. طيب next. Plastic. This chair is plastic?
No.
This is plastic? No. Glass is plastic?
Yes.
So you will circle around this and cross the last one because this is also glass. Please don't speak in Arabic. Please. Try to talk in English. Next, metal. Metal. Okay. This is metal?
No.
No. This is metal? No. This is metal? Excellent. Thank you. And the last one is not made up of.
Yes. No.
Okay. Say the answer one time, please. Okay. Wood. Yani khashab. هذا خشب? هذا خشب? This one? This one? Okay, boys. This is your homework. I will send
Yes,
it
sir.
in your. يا حبيبي لا تفتح مايك الحين. عبد الغني لا تفتح مايك يا حبيبي. Okay, listen to me now. Okay, this one, number one, glass, plastic, metal, and wood. They are made, the objects made up of glass, then plastic, then metal, then wood. يا زياد يا حبيبي اسمع أول. Let me finish. Okay. So what are the properties of this metal? We will write here. Glass is transparent. Glass is transparent. Let me make it right. Yes. Glass is transparent. Okay, this is the property. Plastic. Yes. Yes, Battal.
No.
Right, safe. You have any question?
Yes.
Yes, Fadal.
ايش يا استاذ اي سؤال
لا أنا أفكر عندك في حاجة يعني. If you have any question, you can ask. Now.
طيب
Okay. So plastic is hard, right? Plastic is hard. Metal is shiny. Metal is shiny. Okay. And wood is dull. Wood is dull. यानी मल्टीन हो गई metal. Okay, understand? यानी هذا واجب. This is your homework. Yes.
Teacher, wait, what? هذا أنا أكتب dull and
This is not a page. This is a worksheet.
Teacher, فتح المكتب.
أيوة.
and hard and shiny.
Yes, you will write here transparent, hard, shiny, dull, and then you will circle. Don't open your mic, please. Okay, next.
Here.
Okay, now let me open. Just a second. Okay. Okay, now I am going to start this quiz with you. It's a small quiz. You can open your mic and be with me. Okay. Question number one. What are the materials of this object? في موجود غزاز يعني بلاستيك glass طيب and هنا في بلاستيك صح؟
Yes.
هذا بلاستيك
Yes.
هنا metal في هنا metal مسمار برضو موجود صح؟ That is okay. This one. What would you wear in raincoat or sweater while walking in the rain? لو في مطر يبغى sweater ولا raincoat؟ لو في مطر raincoat because yes, raincoat because there is rain, so you will wear raincoat. Next,
Ustad,
what are the properties of this raincoat? This raincoat is flexible
Waterproof.
and waterproof.
Waterproof.
Flexible, flexible and waterproof.
Waterproof. And water.
Yes. Okay. Good.
Ustad, majani.
Next, jawab माफी मुश्किला. Which objects are shiny? Shiny. This is not shiny. माफी नूर. This is not shiny. Yes, metals. Metals are shiny. Very nice. Metals are shiny. Good. Okay, number one. is glass.
Glass.
أنا ما يرسل يا حبيبي.
Glass.
Let me finish, please. لا تفتح mic. لا تفتح mic. Wait. Number one here is this glass. Number two is rubber. Number three is metal. Glass. Number two metal. لا هذا غلط. Glass, rubber, metal. أيوة. Glass, rubber وmetal هذا صح. يعني ترتيب. لازم نشوف ترتيب. Okay. Which object is made of metal? Metal.
Knife.
And هذا. This one also.
Knife.
This one is also
Knives.
metal. This one is also metal.
Nice.
Okay, P3 metal.
Nice. Rubber.
Yes. Which is this material? Ceramic, fabric, plastic, rubber.
Rubber.
Nice. Next. God has created us as a unique person. Can you describe properties, means characteristics of yourself? हाँ يعني ايش اي نفر كيف هو كويس؟ انت شوف ايش يعني هو كويس. ها talk in a good يعني كلام كويس good way.
Wait.
Talk in a good way. That is just yes. ما في ارسلت ركز معنا بس. Which objects are transparent يعني انت يبغى تشوف من جوا. هذا شايف من جوا؟
Glass.
Very nice.
Glass and windows.
Yes, very nice, good. Okay, this one is made of wood, glass, metal, ceramic.
Glass.
هذا glass. This is ceramic. كلام بس واحد مرة يا حبيبي. This one, properties, stiff, flexible. Yes, this is flexible and soft. Yes. Okay, last question. आखिर सवाल. Which object is waterproof? यानी मोया ما في रोह जुआ. Is book, towel. Yes. Okay, so this is it for today. Yes, umbrella. Thank you, boys. See you next time. Goodbye. Yes, Abdul Ghani.
أرسل الحصة.
طيب, I will send. Okay, okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I will send you